Right, here we have Black Museum. These have a shiny toe as well. All the museum we do have a nice shiny toe. On these, we care for them with the black polish. So you want a little bit of black polish on your sponge. Rub over them. These ones, because they're more like a city shoe, you want to clean a bit more times than the country shoe, so you stand out. Buff them up. And on the high shine toe, just put a little bit of extra polish on. And really buff the toe. As you can see, it's come up beautiful. Nice pair of city shoes.